foul counted po.
Dalawa yung okay lang sana yung tapos.
Inbound now on jersey number 5, the club general si Mr. Manjari. In control, looking on the receiver, inside pass, nice pass.
Second half, third quarter.
Left wing, to plug it now, inside pass, again, dalawa na na extra pass, number 8. Gandang ball movement. Sa ating team basketball, si Mr. number 8, official is to ball natin is 32 to 34. Back now on number 9. 15 on the shot clock. Ito manginig sa first quarter. Pagdating ng second half, ito huminto sa puntusan. The court general jersey number 5. Sticky defense on number 27. Santos. Kick out. Penetrate. No look pass. Tatlong pasa na mo. Ano? Lagi sa number 10. Inaalat ako. Ikaw muna yung susubok. Sabi ni Mr. number 5. Malyari. 36 to 32. Again on the court general sa Mr. number 9. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Back now on number 9. 10 to shoot on Mr. Carlos. 8 seconds now.
Cross court.
5 seconds. 4 seconds. Reverse. Yes, sir. On jersey number 17.
Pero number 1 videographer yun.
34 to 30. 60 score. Under 9 minutes to play. Malyari now on the top of the key. Left pass. And there's a whistle. Cruising down on number 17. Second personal foul on number 17. That is your first team foul. Press 14 shot clock.
Postpone tayo. Oh, walk out na naman. Oh, waiting kami.
Inbound jersey number 5. Kumisa jersey number 55. Ito si Mr. Nakastock pa piso-piso. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Sa dalawang deflected. We go now on Castro. Outlet pass to Johnny Ames. Si Mr. Nakastock. And a back pedal. Looking on Carlos. Ball fake. Perimeter pull up. Way of the mark. And for the nakapangulong pa pala si Mr. Nakastock. Randy Nakastock ni Mr. Boy yung dalawa. Taking a slice to the runner. Off the window shot. On jersey number 10, dalawa. 38 to 34. 4-point lead enjoyed by the Green. Now on number 27, si Mr. Nakaspag is slowly moving out. 14 seconds on the shot clock again. Outlet again to Carlos on the right wing. 1-on-1 play. 8 to shoot on Mr. Santos to Nakaspag with a 15-foot line. Reset to 14 seconds. Back to Nakaspag. Slicing down. Rejected. Ito si Mr. number 27. Another reset. Recover on number 10 at Dalawan. Looking in control of jersey number 10, Dalawan. Looking on the isolation against Castro. Tumalyari now. Rather Dalawan Tumalyari. A 15 on the shot clock. Down to 14 seconds. 12 to shoot. To Torres. One remote. Traveling. Now, una yung hambak gagawin mo. Para kay sa jersey number 55.
Easy job, ref.
7 minutes and 15 seconds. 16 on the shot clock on Vista to Santos, number 27. Looking on the outlet again to Vista. Ball movement for the Black. Santos, the main gunner. Rather Carlos. 7 to shoot. Carlos again, that's a long two. Come on number. Jersey number 6. 38 to 36. Under 7 minutes to play. Now on Malyari. Set up to Mr. Aviles with a step back. Negate. Got for the loose ball. Now on number 9. Tatlo yung offensive. Bounce pass to Johnny A. Timeout. Sabi ni Mr. Second half. Nagamit na yung third quarter. Talawang timeout pa niyan. Pwede mo iyak sa third quarter. Back in action. Back to the square one. 38 all official score. Now on the court, General Malyari. Ang Hermano Mayor for the 23-6 Sa ilalim ba tayo? May tukod sa barbola sa isa number 25. That's a holding bell on number 25. Number 25, first personal bell. Number 25, first team bell. First, second team bell.
Ikaw, dalam.
Eto, reverse na palakas pa kay Mr. Perez. Pero si San Carlos, gusto i-crossover ang breaker si Mr. Magaspa. Ito, 1-1 defense. Set up now on Mr. Carlos. Tumagaspa, mabibigawan. 12 to shoot at Castro. Down to 10 seconds now. From beyond the arc. Can break. Free still. May contact sa kay number 33. That's a push on number 33. Second personal bell, number 33. That is your first team bell. Listen to 14 seconds. Baseline inbound. Again on the Castro. Deflected. Nakamaan niya ni Mr. number 21. Better break. Didn't have time. Too strong. Another recovery now on territory. Mr. Perez. That's down. Ito one-on-one. There's a mismatch. Ito hindi na-establish na ng buti. Nice foul on number 2. First ball on this game. 39-38. A 1-point lead enjoyed by the Green. Ito papakalawahan ni Mr. number 55. 5 minutes and 51 seconds. Ito na yung sticky defense kay Mr. Santos. Hinahanap yung trigger man si Mr. Castro. Gandang bigay sa ilalim. Asabiles. There's an easy rebound for the Green. Ito si De Leon. Hinahanap si Mr. Slowly man Makaspak. Kitang-kita yung sapatos para kay Mr. Randy Makaspaga. Looking on the outlet. Minamadali na dito ni Mr. Makaspak. Ikaw to De Leon. Penetrate na una yung hakbang Mr. Number 10. Robbery.
Ay, uli. Yung driver na, uli mo ang dileo niya ka. Eh? Eh?
Sabi na natin yun, just doesn't know the level. Nakakalitan yung anak niya, tinraveling. Hindi naman, traveling talaga. Back now on Perez, to Torres. Oh, Sarnes! Sayang yun para sa ating game basketball. Eto si Johnny A. Penetrate down the lane. On number 6, shooters bounce on number 6. Number 6, 14, all. Wala nang gaya bossing. Kaya quarter tanong. Yes, the position number 10, Pamanda. Tabing palabas, Danilo, press condition, ay Tito. That's a hanging bell again. Numero 27, that is your warning for disqualification. Sir Raul Santos, team ball number 4. Ang press 14 yung shot clock. Sab. Oh, sab. Sab.
Nakapapalo ko niya.
Raul kay Loy, gusto niya si Sanggulang.
Ito si number 10, 55 lumalapan sa rebound. 4 minutes and 40 to Mr. Makaspak. Yung jersey number 9. Looking in control of number 9. Ito bukas na bukas yung depensa. Nakakita ng butas. Deflected. Pinball pa rin. 40 to shoot for the Black. 40 all, score natin.
Something low person, 14.
Back to Castro. That's away yung Camarga. Here's the rebound. Back to now on number 10. Ito tatlo yung depensa. Hinahanap yung mismatch. Ito si Mr. number 10. Ganda naman ang dahil ni Mr. number 33. And so this basketball on number 33. Mr. Perez, crossover now with a turnaround game.
Lahat ng galaw, ginawa ni John.
42 all. Ito si Dalawan, to number 55. Turnaround game again. Ito, unti-unti lang pumipikat ng puntos si Mr. number 55 for the second half. Back to now on number 9, the fourth general for the Black, 44 to 42. A 2-point lead enjoy again for the Green basketball. Even go to Makaspak. Gustong itabla. Shooters bounce again on number 17. 44 all. 3 minutes and 25. Ito tayo. May jersey number 21. Makaspak naman yung didiskarte ng veteran ng Makaspak. Signaling a play on Torres. At 10 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 8 seconds on the right wing with the side step. Pull up. May contact. Kitang-kita. 2 shots. There's a bell number 17. Third personal bell number 17. Team bell number 5.
Kaya tayo parke ko.
2 shots.
Pare.
Score 44 all.
Pare ba? Kaya tayo parke ko.
There's down sa number 10.
Baklasan mo talaga.
Nakatalawa sa number 10. Deloy. Ito na naman yung offense ng ating Black. O the Golden Boys Black Basketball. Ito yung didiskarte si Mr. Carlos na pabayaan. Portray Neged. A nice rebound. Number 23. A long rebound. Back it out on number 21. Looking for the teammate to Mr. Delon. Ito si Mr. Delon. To Mr. Malyari. Wala pa rin. Recover on Castro, number 25. Looking on number 6. Vista now. Namang yung opensa dito. Fancy pass to Mr. Thomas Park. Another miss. Touchdown. Nandun naman yung recover. Presence of mind para kay Carlos sa depensa. Kitang-kita ni Mr. Carlos Roger Castro kung saan pupunta. Ito si Carlos on the right wing. No, that's the Iron Bossini. Back to now on Delawan number 10. 46-44. Gusto mo dagdagan yung mga lamangan dito ni Mr. Delawan. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. A 15 on the shot clock to Malyari. 13 to shoot. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds now. What the bad pass. Result. There's a foul. Number 10. Mr. Gustavo Borbeck. 15 on the shot clock. No, that's the Iron Bossini. Pangalawa ng attempt na hindi tumatama yun. Pagka ni Sir Carlos, isang long to, isang 3-point shot, hindi tumatama. Pati factor yung mga catch ni Mr. Carlos. Back to now on the big power sa Mr. Perez to the fourth general si Mr. Malyari. Malyari now. Looking on natin ni Maspak on the right wing here. Wide open. Paboritong angulo, paboritong tira. Ilista mo na. Kay Mr. Slowly man makaspak. Score natin mga pusik. 48-44. Ito na naman ang Sorry Mills. 4 na puntos ang naghihiwalay sa dalawang kupunan. Gustong dagdagan na Slowly man. Makaspak now on a third and foot line. That's Sorry Mills again. Back in now on number 17. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Now number 17, penetrate with the half time up the window on jersey number 17. Ito, still again. Gusto kita blawan lang pa rin. Battle for the rebound. Haba ng shot like 46-48. Wala pa rin para kay Mr. Mamaspak. Sayang yun, Mr. Mamaspak. 54 seconds on the game clock. Now number 13, Liesel. 2 shots tayo. Committed down on jersey number 13. Now, Delawan out. Carlos out number 13. Second personal foul on number 13. 2 shots on the line on Mr. number 33. 46-48. 2-point lead in Joy. Ayun, pangatlong puntos na kalamangan. 49-46. 50 seconds on the game clock. And the last one, Manabing Shaw, 2 out of 2, Lee Charlie. Idol number 33, Perez, 50 seconds on the game clock. Back to now number 6 to Mr. Tanggalan, number 41. Crossing to the midcourt on number 41. Looking for his teammate again. To Mr. now. Isolation against Makaspak. Ito yung dalawang naglalabanan sa position in point guard. To Mr. number 41, Sanggalang. 8 to shoot on the shot clock. 7 seconds now. Mr. Traveling.
Pressure.
Pangkrasan-pasa, hindi pa.
Humbaso yun. Diyan makasaring gulo tipos. Pilawis sa unit. Shot clock is differential. 4 seconds shot clock differential on the game clock. 18 on the shot clock. Down to 16 shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. Last pass rushing. Negative. Shot clock is dead. Game clock is 12 seconds now. On Mamaspak. 10 seconds na lang tayo. 7 seconds. Penetrate. Nugget. Basket is down. Foul number 5. That's a pushing foul number 5. Second personal foul number 5. And that is your 13th foul. Bonus on the line on jersey number 6. 48-50. 2 points. Brother. Dalawang puntos sa kalamangan. Gusto kong pagkisan sa isa. 2 seconds sa game line. Wait for the buzzer. Ito, gusto ko na yung dalawang puntos na kalalangan ng Great Basketball. Back na ang Carlos, tuwing ang pagkakas sa Carlos. Talagang pumapasok sa mga tao sa ilalim. Nawala yung baseball. Gagamitin ni Boss Nestorian.
Ano score?
50. Nasa player green. Ang dalawa ng depensa na dalawa. Pero sa salamat sa labi, iwan mo si Benas. Baskas. Rico Benaon. Ito kung gusto mo magpalinis. Nilisigan. Sa baseball. May pagkila ba yan? Ang dalawang sasakyan. Pagod na katawan. Pagkay na mag-goal.
Ang gulo-gulo. Naka-ready na po ang red team.
Division number 57. Ross Gordon.
Mr. Perez!
Up the middle. Basic. Pag-inis na number 10.
Kailangan din, di tinutulak mo palabas.
52-48. Back now on the play of Mr. Ramos. Ito ito sa putusan. Sinasya ng Baywan. Inaalat. Ito the county. Back to now on number 27. Sticky Divas now. Back to the spot. Pinababayaan. On the 52 line.
Ay! Lahat sila, nanood!
Mr. number 25. Si Mr. Ramos ang kinala. And the breakdown. There's a result.
Uy, kapit!
Number 14. That's a holding foul. Number 14. Second personal foul. Number 14. First team foul. 18 on the shot clock for the team.
Panalo, Black!
Number 25, Castro.
Mira, 3 boys, Marico! Yes!
In and out. Si Mr. Ramos to the captain. Ito yung penetrating ni Mr. Number 10. Dalawang wala. Inside pass ang sagwa ng Ramos. Number 14. Ayun pa. Sabi Mr. Number 14. Ang layo.
Bigay!
Pilihan ng Central Magic Man. Tuloy sa number 23. Another word for the Carlos. Looking in control of Mr. Number 27. Inside pass. Wala pa nang magagawa. Paul na lang ang magagawa dyan sa Mr. Number 23. Number 25. That's a second foul on number 25.
Bago tumalsik yung bola,
Number 25. First team foul.
Bernie, sulitin mo na agad yung bola bago tumalgod.
Villarreal na sa muna. Villarreal na ng pro. Kami ni Villarreal po sa palitan na muna.
Natupad din yung pangarap ni Parin Jody. Nangyari.
53-48 score natin. Dalawa ng puntos. Ang ating green. Halika kayo sa dalawa na pinagkakali ng lalabay. Behind the back ng pasa sa ilalim. Number 25. Crossover. Tatapikan sa likuran niya sa number 10. Dalawa na. Back in our number 8. To Mr. Crowley. The counting now. Up to the goal. Number 27.
Score!
Dia berada di tengah. Back in our number 25. Mantap dari Mila. Evan Stigini. 7 minutes and 40. Pag pumasok yan, Evan Stigini ang bola. Back in our number 8. Boston sa mga nasa the corner. Back in the top of the down again. Ito na si Boss MD na naman. Number 10. Isolation. Against the Galang. Step rookie out. Another way. In and out. Reset. Up and under. Like that. Over now. On. Black. And go.
Same ball.
Timeout. Three.
Do or die game between Green Team and Black Team. April 22, 2026. Ano to, laglagan, do or die.
Back in the versus of the line. Look at the Santos. Shot like it's running down 12 seconds on Carlos. Natapikan niya sa number 14. 83 on sa number 6. Reverse. You know what pa ng paraan?
Ang laki nun! Pare! Inuhain mo!
Number 6. 55 to 50. mabilis naman yung bawi.
Nawian.
Nabis na number 33, Perez, 57-50. Score natin. 6 minutes and 37 seconds of 15 seconds on the shot clock. To this time, number 60, 12 to shoot. Down to 10 seconds on Sanggalang. On the left wing, 6 seconds tayo. Ahapulin, out of bounds. Get a number for the black.
Parang naman yung class pa rin yun. Natalo rin naman kayo.
Importante, mayroon kami talo. Kayo, wala. Hindi masakit ka.
Pero ito isa number 14. Wala pa rin. Bali, muna ka pa rin. Back now, 2-on-1 situation. Bounce pass to Santos.
Ganun lang. Simple lang ang basketball.
And for number 10, Dalawan. Mipes, tabi ko na balas. Regawan bounce. Touchdown to Mr. Lamaspak. Sliding down. Handball to Mr. Number 6. Napakagod si Mr. Number. That's a very good number.
Sumabit ang balik.
8 was it 8? Number 8. Number 8.
Kleto, malas ka, Kleto!
Number 8, second person on that number 8.
Klet, malas ka.
Second down. 2 shots on number 6.
Ano patayin natin? May daga. Leto, may daga ka daw.
Shout out.
May daga ka nga. Sabi ni Bob, siya na naman ang kasalanan ni Bob yan.
Score 53-57.
Apat lang yan.
And the ball taken is Annapolis. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 12 now on the counting. Inside pass.
Hard press! Hindi lang press.
That's his foul. On number
Walang press na, walang 3 seconds.
7. 13 now.
Nang itlog nil.
Number 3 is on that first personal foul. Besides under 6 minutes play, Shannon holding call. He's number 6, kailangan ng pwesta dito. Pass pass. Gusto mo game.
May daga talaga. May daga. Abab, may daga talaga. Ang laki.
Malas si Kleto, benta.
59-53, anim na naman yung hinahapon. 18 on the shot.
Ang daga ni Kleto.
Coach, saan ka punta?
18 on the shot.
Dati niikutan niya eh.
On the shot.
Parang commissioner.
Precious of mine, 18 seconds ka naman. So Mr. Number 17, mabibitawan niya na. Cross court to Mr. Carlos. Launches again. Another rebound on number 8. Looking for this to make again number 10.
Malas si Carlos.
Below now, Mr. Rananes, 1-0.
Tanggal din yung daga.
61-53. Namakakala yung mga dito. 4 minutes and 29 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Tumakas pa. Nugget. Rebound number 33. Quick passing now. Ito sa Mr. number 10. Side to step up the window. Yes, sir. But here's number 10. 63-53. Penetration. Negative. Rebound.
Time out ka, nasa buskas.
Back to number 10. Smithing on the shot clock. Number 10. Lays it off. Negative. And this is number 17. Good ball. That's a foul ball. That's again is number 14. Inside pass. Number 27. Number 27. Off the pass again on number 55 to 63. 3 minutes and 36 seconds. 1 puntos ang nangihiwalay. Ang 3 seconds on the shot clock. Back to Perez. Roll to shoot. 11 on the shot clock. To number 8. Cross court to the spot. Roll on. Negative. Rebound. Back to now number 6. Ito pagkakataon ng mga tapyas si San Carlos. Using the body. Up and under shot. Ang losing number 6.
Uy! Lumampas! Tangin ka na, ang ganda sana!
Inside
Naging bloopers.
Kailangan ko nga yung pasang ganun.
Ayan, oh, bloopers ang dating. Kuha mo na, nawala pa.
65 to 57. Backing out Carlos again. Quick play, another miss. 2 minutes and 47. Meron pa kayo tayo. First time out. Nauna yung Lacos. Sige. 14 to shoot on number 27. 10 seconds. It's like that. 2 minutes and 29. Roll the ball. Sabi niya ito, number 6. Tulis sa number 9. Post over. Inside pass. One out to one. Recover. Jersey number 14. 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Penetrate. Sigurado na yan sa galing sa number 8. Back it down on the campaign. Deflection again. 13 on the shot.
Kanina ba 13? Kanina ba 13?
Eto na naman number 8 tayo. 1 minute and 54 seconds. To Mr. Castro, ito yung tumigil sa pagpupunta si Mr. Castro. First quarter, sa second half, wala nang nakita ng score si Idol.
Ganda pa muna pang goal sa inyo.
14 seconds on the shot line. To Mr. number 5, 11 to shoot on the line. 9 seconds on the shot line. 7 to shoot. Sumubok from downtown. Negative. Rebound. On number 9, Carlos. 1 minute and 22. Ball out again. Rebound. Back to Mr. number 5.
Walang makipagod ka sa 3 boys.
To Mr. Asi Torres.
Libre
And
na yan.
number 10. Talagang sinasabay pa ni Mr. Torres. To Mr. Dasoliman. This is the babayan ni Mr. Dasoliman. 69 and 57. Another miss again at Mr. Castro.
12 na ang lamang. Ilang minuto? 59 seconds?
59 seconds. Kaya pa niya sa susunod na. Liga.
Wala na. Say goodbye
Kumakain din
sa black team.
Kasama kayo. Ako din natin sa Philippines na sa Dinote. Out of pass. 45 seconds. Penetrate. Wow.
Ah!
Parang kung saan yun.
Are, kinuha ko pang maigi, oh! Agar, kinuha ko pang maigi, tapos...
Eto, tumatapos na lang natin.
Game over!